Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. All brick 3-bedroom 2-bath home with finished room over the garage in Lexington. Sits on 2.06-acre corner lot and has in-ground pool, detached workshop or garage and fenced backyard, perfect for entertaining. Master bedroom with private bath and walk-in closet. Great room with fireplace, separate dining room with French doors and large kitchen with granite countertops. Beautiful hardwood floors. Very well maintained and loved home, yard is mature and beautifully landscaped. Minutes from I-20. Plenty of room for friends and family. Won't last long. Submit your offer today. Bed swing on back, screened porch does not convey. Patio furniture by pool is negotiable.